Okay, so hello to all the organizers. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful hackathon, giving us an opportunity to learn things that we weren't aware before. So the project and its main motivation is to analyze depression of our peers. So the main motivation behind the project was we were going through placements, and we found most of our friends were also too much pressure because of placements. So basically how this works is, a student will be taking this 8 questions, that is the survey, on behalf of his friend. So I could take the survey on behalf of my friend Guna. So at the end of the survey I will be able to uh, uh, get to a conclusion that my friend Guna is under depression or not, based upon the way that I answer his question. So I answer this question according to the characteristics of my friend, that is Guna, which will lead to a conclusion that whether he or she is in depression or not. So upon entering all the possible values, like whether they have previous family history of illness, whether they have current disorder, they have diagnosed with this mental health disorder before, I'll be able to predict whether he or she is under medical is a depression or not. So here we can see that I can observe that my friend is under depression. So given that he or she is under depression, I can click on this remedies link, which will basically redirect me to another web page, which will make custom suggestions according to the type of depression that my friend is under. So these are very basic suggestions. We are not medical experts, so we wanted to make the suggestions as close to reality as possible according to the type of depression. And there is also other tabs like activities tabs, which are common to all the types of depression, and basically helps them to uh, uh, you know practice these kind of activities to come out of depressions. There are also mindfulness tasks which have their own videos and stuff. So basically this application as a whole analyzes depression of an individual and tries to suggest various points and stress buster videos to help them come out of depression. So that is the main motive, and this is the demo of the project. Thank you.